Welcome back. Today I am sharing some of the weeknight dinners that we've been enjoying recently. Hopefully it'll give you guys a little bit of inspiration, but let's get straight in and I'll show you what we've been enjoying lately. So the first meal that I wanted to share with you is this slow cooked gammon. I popped a gammon joint in the slow cooker in the morning and by evening it was ready. It was just falling apart, so we served that with some new potatoes and boiled carrots. This is Slimming World friendly, so it was perfect for me, but the rest of the family also love it. And there was loads of gammon left over, so I popped it in the freezer for meals another time. So the next meal is tacos. My kids love this. It's a really hands-on one and we really enjoy it. I had mine with lettuce leaves because I'm following the Slimming World plan, so I had that instead of taco shells. And I served it with some grated cheese, some 0% fat Greek yogurt. My family had taco shells because they love them, and I served up some sliced up lettuce, some chopped tomatoes and peppers, and also obviously the taco mince. It was beef mince, which I just browned off, added my taco seasoning and cooked that, and then I just left the kids to make their own. So this is my one with the salad leaves and it was absolutely delicious. The next meal I wanted to share with you is our tikka chicken curry. This is a Slimming World recipe, but it is absolutely delicious. The whole family enjoys this. So this is it in the pan, and I served it up with some white rice. Everybody loved it, and I also served it with some naan bread. I didn't have naan bread because I'm following Slimming World at the moment, but everyone else did. And it was a little bit too hot for anyone in the house. Then I had some 0% fat Greek yogurt that they could add to it too. But everyone really loved it and no one found it too spicy. So the next recipe is this creamy chicken and mushroom pasta. It's absolutely delicious and we have it really often in our house. This time I served it with some tagliatelle, but you can have it with any kind of pasta, and it's one that we all love, apart from Caitlin, who doesn't like creamy sauces. So I kept some pasta separate for her and she just had some plain pasta and chicken with hers. And the last meal I'm going to share with you is one we've been having a lot lately, and it is chicken and vegetable stir fry. And all I use is a bag of mixed stir fry veg, some chicken and some noodles, and I only add soy sauce. So this is also Slimming World friendly, but everyone in our house loves it and it's really easy to make. It's really quick to make as well, so if you're in a hurry it's ideal, and it's one that everyone always loves. So those are some of the meals we've been really enjoying recently. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.